This video is for our lesson for Math Chapter Review, page 419 and 420, and also for the Chapter 19 pre and post tests, which you'll complete on your own. Also for this lesson, you need to get out a few crayons, so please get out your red, blue, purple, and yellow crayons along with your pencil, and let's get started. Okay, let's start off first with our red and blue crayons, but actually we're going to start with just the red first. Let's take a look at number 1. Circle the group that shows a repeating pattern with your red crayon. Let's take a look at our two groups. We have this first group here at the top and a second group down here below. Between these two groups, either the rainbow or the purple and yellow, which one has a repeating pattern? Circle that group. If you think it's the top group, circle that whole group with red. If you think it's the bottom group, circle that whole group with your red crayon. Now we're done with red. And go ahead and get out your blue crayon. Number 2, circle the pattern unit with your blue crayon. So if you've decided which group has the repeating pattern, now you need to circle one pattern unit. What is the group that keeps repeating over and over in that pattern? Circle that pattern unit with your blue crayon. Now go ahead and switch back to some other crayons. You're going to need, for number 3, your purple and your blue crayons. Let's take a look at number 3 together. Find a pattern unit. Color to continue the pattern. Purple, blue, blue, purple, blue, blue, purple, blue. Go ahead and continue that pattern with your crayons. For number 4, you need your red crayon. Find a pattern unit. Draw and color what comes next. Heart, heart, sun, heart, heart, sun, heart, heart, sun. Go ahead and draw and color what comes next. 5, circle the first pattern unit. Continue the pattern. This one you actually do need to circle the first pattern unit. So let's look down here. 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2. Make sure you circle the first pattern unit. What is that first small group that keeps repeating over and over? Number 6, find a pattern unit. Circle what comes next. Clap, clap, tap. Clap, clap, tap. Clap, clap, tap. Between those two, circle which one goes next in that pattern. Now you will need your purple and your yellow crayons. Number 7, color the missing tiles. Write how many tiles are needed to finish each pattern. Look very carefully at this checkerboard pattern. Make sure you notice this pattern is purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. And fill in the rest of this checkerboard correctly. Count how many are purple and write that number here, and how many are yellow. And when you're ready, turn. On the back, there are a few more color patterns. But notice, these have something wrong. There's actually a mistake in their patterns. Let's look and try and find the mistake together. It says, squirrel is using a pattern to build a wall. Circle the mistake in the wall on the left. Use the pattern to color the wall on the right. If we look at squirrel's pattern on the wall on the left, we see it goes like this. Red, black, red, black, red, black. That's our repeating pattern. But look here at the top. What's this mistake? Red, black, red, 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 black, red. The mistake here is this red should have actually been black. So on the wall on the right, you'll color in the correct pattern. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 1. Circle the mistake in the pattern on the left. Use the pattern to color the wall on the right. Let's take a look and see what this pattern is. Blue, gray, gray. Blue. Blue, gray, gray. Blue. Blue, gray, gray, blue. But there is a mistake on one of those lines. Can you find that mistake? Look carefully at the bottom part of the wall. You'll see it here. There should only be one blue next to 2 grays, but look what happened here. There are 2 blues next to each other. This is the mistake. Circle the mistake, and then your job is to color it correctly on the next side. Now, I didn't have a gray, so I used a black to fill in where I wanted the gray to go. Notice how I made my change. Instead of 2 blues here, I only put in 1 blue with 2 grays next to it. Try your own. Number 2. Color a pattern with a mistake. Circle the mistake in the pattern. Color the correct pattern. Okay, now it's your turn. You can be creative. Create your own pattern on the left, but make sure there is a mistake. Circle the mistake and complete your pattern correctly on the wall on the right. Once you finish this page, make sure you go back and complete your Chapter 19 pre and post tests. If you need help reading that, you can ask Mom and Dad to help you out.